Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you how to make bakery style Nankhatais at home. They are super simple and easy to make using only basic pantry ingredients that are usually available at home and no egg, baking powder, baking soda, etc. and are ready in just 20 minutes. So let's get started. Take a parat or a white bottomed utensil like this one and a sieve and sieve half cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon rava or semolina and half cup of powdered sugar. Some make Nankhatai with only maida, but adding a little besan will add to the flavor and rava will give it that light texture that we associate with a good Khasta Nankhatai. When the flours and sugar have been sieved, add 1 teaspoon of elaichi or cardamom powder and just a dash of salt, 1/16 of a teaspoon, and mix all the dry ingredients together. After which start adding the ghee, a little at a time. You'd need about 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee in total, but it's best to not add it all together. Also, this is the ideal consistency of ghee, which is grainy yet flowy at room temperature, because especially when it comes to baked goods, room temperature ingredients are important as they form an emulsion that traps air, and while baking in the oven they release this air to make the baked good light and fluffy. Here at first you'll find it dry and powdery, but as you continue to mix everything together, the ghee will moisten the flours. Always test to see if the dough is starting to come together. And as you see, here it's starting to come together but not enough to bind into dough balls. So in this case, add a little more ghee and mix it in till the dough starts to bind together, enough to make small dough balls. And here you see, that's what you want. Getting the dough right is the most critical step in making Nankhatais. It should not be too dry and crumbly, nor too wet and sticky. When you get that right, make small dough balls from the dough. Based on the size of the dough balls, you'll get 8 to 10 Nankhatais. Then line a baking tray with parchment paper and place the dough balls on it. And here I'm just making a dent with my finger to hold the garnish, but you can go all fancy and use those sweet stamps that you get in the market, or even make patterns with a fork. I keep it simple by just making a small dent in the center and filling it with crushed pistachios and saffron strands. You can go with your choice of garnish, but pistachios and saffron do work very well for Nankhatais. Now bake these at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees centigrade for about 10 to 12 minutes till they are done. They should be golden on the top and a light to medium brown on the bottom. And there you have it, delicious bakery style Nankhatais. Let them cool for about 10 minutes before you serve them, and you can also store them in an airtight container for 3 to 5 days. If they don't get eaten before that is. Try it if you haven't already and enjoy. For the written and printable version of this recipe, check the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, please hit the like button at the bottom of this video. It really helps me out. And subscribe if you haven't already. Until I see you again, happy cooking!